Hey guys, so I got myself a new color match light over the weekend. It is a Scangrip Sunmatch 4. I was using I believe this was the first Scangrip light. This is actually my helper's light. I've been using this since my 3M one went out, but he is leaving, so I had to get myself a new one. And this is what I ended up getting. I'm excited to try it. Looks like a really nice light. I really did like the first Scangrip. It was nice, so that's why I went ahead and went with this one. Alright, so this has what they call the CCT scan. So if you turn it on and hold down the CCT, it will go through the dimness settings by itself. And it'll go all the way down to the bottom and then come back up. As you can see, it's getting dimmer, and now it's changing the light. And there, we'll come back up. So I will be using this for color matching and checking my metallics with the light off. So there you can see one setting. Lower, another one, and finally the last one. This one does have the light here and then a light on the top. Although I don't know how much I'll be using the one on the top. I will also be using this when I polish too, to check if there's any swirls or anything like that. Some people call it a color match light, some people call it a detailer's light. I guess whatever you use it for. So I'll go ahead and add in the video, checking some colors with it, let you see how it shows the metallics, let you see how it shows the color, see how it actually replicates sunlight. Yep. Alright, so here's checking my metallics and coverage with the new Scangrip. That's the highest setting. Drop down, go down another, and there's the last one. Go back up. It's really bright, really powerful. I like it. Alright, so checking some metallics with it. It's nice, I like it. This is actually on the medium setting. So if I go back up, there's brighter. This thing is really bright. Going back down. Okay, checking this color chip with my new Scangrip light. Sorry if the angle isn't the best. I'm trying to hold the light and the phone at the same time to record this, but the light is good. Chip might not be that great, but the light works good. I like it. Then you can, so if you hold down this CCT, like I said before, it will trickle through the light settings by itself. So see how it's changing the settings? It's gonna go through all of them and then back up. So that's a pretty cool feature. But yeah, all in all, I think it's a really good light. I'll be using it a lot, and so far so good.